Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Events Wholesale, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the timer feature on your flameless candles. One of the amazing things about the timer feature, if you're not using it yet, you should be, because this saves you all the time of running around turning on all your flameless candles individually every night. So if you look at the bottom of your flameless candle, you'll see this toggle here, this switch at the bottom. And on this specific candle, I just have to click it over one time to turn on. And as you see, it's on here, but it's just on indefinitely. And then if I switch it over one more click to where it looks like a little stopwatch icon there, that's my timer feature. And now it's still on, but what the timer feature enables us to do is this candle will stay on for 5 hours and then turn off for 19 hours. So it's on a 24-hour cycle. So let's say I turned it on at 6 p.m. tonight. It will stay on for 5 hours, and then at 6 p.m. tomorrow night, it will turn back on for another 5 hours. So that's how you use the timer feature for your flameless candles. Really great time-saving option. Hopefully you're using it already, but if not, you can go ahead and use some of those tips. You can also go on over to eventswholesale.com to check out our full inventory of flameless candles there.